All right, so 5 really creative tips on how to get protein for all you lazy guys out there who are just like me. Hey guys, I'm Mark McKillier with Live Anabolic, and today I want to give you 5 tricks. I'm just going to call them tricks or tips on how to get enough protein into your daily diet to actually maximize your muscle building. All right, so all of us, here are trying to do typically 2 things: lose fat and build muscle. All right, I'm at the point in my life and in my fitness journey where basically I'm just focused on building muscle. I've gotten to the point where I'm able to keep my body fat pretty low, just week after week, month after month, just because of my daily lifestyle. So the problem is, I love working out, okay, probably more than you guys like working out, but I promise you stick with it, you'll actually start to enjoy it. But the issue is, I want to get as much bang for my buck from each workout I have. And the only way to do that is to figure out a way to get enough protein into your daily diet, okay? And that is critical, guys. So I got 5. Like I said, I'm going to refer to them as tricks or tips because these are different ideas from what we normally talk about, the lean beef and the chicken and the fish and all that kind of stuff. These are different, all right? These are easier, all right? All right, so before I get to all the different tricks and tips, I just want to mention that today's video is sponsored by a really cool company that I just found out about, okay? It's called ALMONDS, and this is what they do. So we're going to be talking about some of this today. Matter of fact, first off, on how to get enough protein in your diet. And the reason why these are so interesting and important to me is because if you've seen some of my other videos, I'm probably the laziest cook in the fitness industry. All right, some people love to meal prep. They love to go to the grocery store every day, okay, and get all this great food and cook their meals and everything. I hate it. I'm a bachelor, guys. I hate cooking for one person. So I've had to come up with all kinds of creative ways to eat healthy. And part of that, eating healthy, is getting enough protein into your daily diet. So this is a really fun, easy way to do that. All right, so before I continue with all the different ideas and tips here, guys, how much protein, all right, should you be getting into your daily diet? And guys, you need to do this just one day or maybe 2 days. Pick a couple of typical eating days, all right, where you're eating kind of the normal, type of foods throughout the day. Don't go, don't pick a day where you're going to birthday parties and out drinking at night. So you got to write down everything you eat and just keep track of how much protein is in each food, okay, food group that you eat. And guys, for our fitness level, for people our age group that are just trying to get fit, okay, build some muscle, lose some body fat, you need to get anywhere from 0.5 gram of protein per pound of body weight up to about 0.7 gram of protein per pound of body weight. So let's just do some quick math here so you understand what I'm talking about. So let's say you weigh 200 pounds. 0.5 gram per 200 pounds ends up with 100 grams of protein. All right, so that's really the minimum you guys need to be getting in your daily diet, right around 100. Now, if it's not 100 every day, that's okay. You might, knock out an 80 gram day, no biggie. But it's anywhere from there up to 0.7 gram. So 0.7 of 200 is 140 grams of protein. So somewhere in that range is a really good target. Now, guys, you can get online and check out these really serious bodybuilders, these young guys in their 20s that are just huge, and basically it's their whole life is building muscle. Those guys really aim for more like 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight. So think about it, eating 200 grams of protein per day, if you're a 200 pound, 25-year-old guy, that's hard. Some of them do even more than that, all right? You don't need that. Your body won't be able to use all that protein, all right? So if you stick with the range that I give you, that means your workouts will see the most benefit, all right? So I hate killing myself in the gym and only getting 50%, okay, benefit from the workout because I'm not getting enough protein in my daily diet. So this is the first thing I want to talk about, this company called ALMONDS. These are fully packaged meals here, okay? All you got to do is cut up on the top and add 1 cup of boiling water, all right? So I'm gonna do that real quick. It's kind of neat, matter of fact, they just ship this, you know, straight to your house. It comes in this nondescript box, but guess what? When you open it, kind of cool, all right? So no biggie, shipped straight to your door. Very reasonably priced, guys. It will not break the budget, all right? Much, much less expensive than going out and eating at a restaurant. So I'm gonna just step you through real quick how easy this is. And remember, one of the reasons I really like this is because of the easy use. It's just, it doesn't get any better than this. All right, well, the country herb chicken, and it has the macros right on the front and on the back. Man, it's got 36 grams of protein. Guys, that's a lot in this little tiny package here. So I'm just gonna open all these. We're gonna make all 3 of them at once. God, 29 grams of protein in the sesame garlic chicken. I love the names too. These things are gonna be great. And then finally, the balsamic chicken pomodoro, if I'm saying that right. 26 grams of protein. So all these things have got great macro profiles. So this is also something you guys could do if you like hiking, backpacking. These are like freeze-dried meals, right? All I'm gonna do is add hot water to them. And they weigh nothing. All right, these things weigh about 1 ounce each. All right, here we go. If I can pour 1 cup of hot boiling water. So guys, I'm so lazy that I'm making all 3 of mine at once. So I just boiled 1 bigger pot of water. All right, instead of just making 1 meal and then making another meal later tonight, I'm just gonna do them all at once. And that way, when I don't eat them, I'm just gonna zip them up and stick them in the refrigerator. They'll be good for days. All right, so I added the water. Now, guess what? Zip it back up. We're gonna shake it a couple times and let it sit for 12 minutes and then we're done. All right, so shake and bake, baby. Sounds like Talladega Nights. All right, my sophisticated timer, go. All right, guys, through the magic of the internet, we were able to wait 12 minutes. Wow. All right, first one gets a thumbs up. So guys, there's a lot more than just protein in here, all right? There's all kinds of vegetables and other goodies that you need, all right? Matter of fact, this stuff smells so good. Look who's down here. Can you see it, cameraman? He's been sleeping, totally ignoring this whole video. As soon as I open these packages, balsamic chicken, also great. Country herb. I think this is the one with the most protein. Yeah, tons, wow. I mean, the amount of protein that fits in these little bags just blows me away, guys. Green beans, avocado in there, wow, and potatoes. So we're getting some really good carbs and I mean, almost no sugar, guys. All this stuff is just nothing but good for you. Wow. All right, so guys, I spent a lot of time on tip number 1, elements here. Trust me, guys, do this. You can take it in the car with you, guys. If you're in a rush, you don't have to sit here and eat it at home. Just take a spoon and get going. So got 4 more great ones for you, but this, guys, is more than just protein. There's a whole lot of other great nutrients in here, including, you know, the really good healthy carbs and the fats that you need in a daily diet. All right, so this video is about how to get enough protein into your daily diet to build muscle, guys. And besides the obvious fish and beef and chicken, all that kind of stuff, I'm trying to give you really creative, easy ways to get protein in. And this, guys, is something that I don't eat enough of. So I love eggs, all right? And typically it's, bacon and eggs and all that kind of stuff. And I go out and eat breakfast, whatever, but that, entails cooking a meal. So just boil these eggs. I just boiled a dozen eggs. So I got 12 hard-boiled eggs here. Each one of these eggs has got 6 grams of protein in it. Not to mention it's got some really healthy fats in it that we need to help keep our testosterone levels up. So guys, boom, boil some eggs, peel them, leave them in your refrigerator, pop them in your mouth. It takes about 60 seconds to eat one of those. Matter of fact, I'll grab 2, put them in my workout bag and eat them on the way to the gym. Super simple way to get some great protein in your diet. All right, guys, nothing easier than this right here, right? You screw the lid off, you stick your hand in here, pop some almonds in your mouth. You'll be surprised. 1 ounce of almonds, which is not a whole lot, it's got 6 grams of protein. Also, you don't have to refrigerate this. So, take it with you. Take a big one of these things, keep it at the office. If you tend to forget, take one of these, keep it in your center console in your car. You can always snack on almonds. These things are a great source of protein. All right, guys, trick/tip number 4, milk. Guys, I love eating cereal in the morning, right? And I buy a special cereal that has a lot of protein in it. But I get even more protein when I add the milk. So 8 ounces of milk, which is just 1 cup of milk, it's got 8 grams of protein. Once again, I'm lazy. I'm always looking for super simple ways to get protein in my body that doesn't require lots of effort in cooking and going to the grocery store. So I'll buy a gallon of milk. It'll be in there for, a couple of weeks, and I can get 8 ounces, basically 1 gram of protein for every ounce of milk. Doesn't get any easier than that. All right, the last tip, number 5, guys. Big things can come in small packages. This little thing of light Greek yogurt. Okay, so Greek yogurt is very important, and I get light because it means it has less sugar, all right? 12 grams of protein in this little tiny thing. Once again, something you can take on the run. You just peel the lid off. All you need is a spoon. And also, even though it is light and has low sugar, it tastes real sweet. And there's all these, you can get different flavors with different fruits in there. So I really like eating this at night after dinner because it feels like I'm having a dessert, okay, which kind of quenches my thirst for sugar. A lot of you guys, if you're like me, late at night for some reason, you start to get hungry and I gotta find something that tastes kind of sweet, which will help curb my appetite. And this is fantastic because I'm getting great protein and I'm not consuming a lot of unnecessary calories. All right, so 5 really creative tips on how to get protein for all you lazy guys out there who are just like me. Elements was a really different way that I haven't done before. They just ship them right to your house, and instead of just getting protein, I'm actually getting an entire nutritious meal when I do this. And then finally, guys, it's not gonna work. You're not gonna build muscle if you just do this for a few days, okay? Or even a few weeks. This is something you have to be consistent with, week in, week out, month after month. If you do that, if you stick with it and never give up on yourself, I promise, you're gonna see some fantastic muscle growth if you follow these 5 tips and never, ever stop.